Hello everyone, as you can see we have a Philips Hue outdoor sensor, and this is basically going to capture movement and turn on lights outside. This is meant to be an outdoor sensor. Obviously you could do it inside if you wanted to, but they make other indoor sensors that would work even better for that. So what we're going to do is use this sensor with this bar, which I previously unboxed. I'll leave a link to that up there if you're interested in seeing that. But basically these accessories are going to be used for my outdoor Halloween decorations. Every year I like to step it up a little bit. I definitely like the Philips Hue setups for Halloween as well as for Christmas as well for decorating. It makes things a whole lot easier. So apparently what's included in here, we've got a wall mount, we've got a corner mount, the sensor as well, and then it runs on 2 AA batteries as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and unbox this guy so you can see what's in it. And then from there what we're going to do is actually set it up together as well. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay. Doing pretty well so far. Corner mount. Curious to see how this ends up going. Okay, so we've got screws as well as drywall plugs. We've got a mount here, it looks like, and then the actual setup here. Oh, interesting. That's not the way I would have done it, but I would have thought to do it anyways. Let's go to the English side here. So mounting options. You can do a zip tie, which actually I'm going to end up doing myself. That way I can attach it, and that way when people are coming up to the walkway or whatnot, I'll make sure that those get set. And then to do that, apparently what we'll do is hook this up in here. There we go. So that way the zip tie goes around there. We'll screw that in. Let's go ahead and do that real quick. There we go. And that's now in place. That's actually really awesome. And then apparently, if we want to do the corner mount, we would do something like this. The screw would go into here as well, and that would allow the corner mount to get set. Okay. Interesting. It's different than I thought, but it makes sense. It makes complete sense. All right. So what we're going to do now is actually set this guy up using the app. Should be pretty easy, and we'll be right back. All right. So let's go ahead and set this guy up. I've got my iPhone up here, so we're going to go to Settings, go to Accessories, go to Add Accessory, and we're going to do the Hue Outdoor Sensor. And I took this guy off, so that'll be fine. And it says press the setup, the LED will start blinking after a few seconds. Okay. It's blinking. All right, success. Continue. And this is going to go in our entryway. It's doing something, not sure exactly what yet. All right. And your outdoor sensor now controls entry with the following settings during the day. Okay, done. And all right, so let's go ahead and edit this guy. And I really want it to be to handle something else. So we'll have to, take a closer look at this. So that should be doing something. I don't know why it's not. Maybe it's because I'm in the setup here. Okay. Be right back. I'm just going to go ahead and check a couple more things with this accessory. All right, so I did make a change. I changed the room in which the bar is in to be the driveway. So this way, when trick-or-treaters come up, I'm going to make all the lights turn red as opposed to the orange and purple that I have right now. And what I'm going to do is basically starting at 6 o'clock and going until 8 o'clock in the morning. What I'll do is have it afterwards, after 1 minute, I'll have it go back to the previous state. I think that makes the most sense. Just do previous state. So that way, and then this one will also be 1 minute. So that way that'll be set as well. So that should be pretty cool. So what I'll do is I'll mount this guy here to a chair that's going to be really close to where the skeleton is, and that's what's going to control that. I think that'll work out really well. So that's what we're going to do. If you have any questions about the sensor here, let me know. I'll let you know what my thoughts are after using it for a little bit, but I'll leave a link to it down in the description area there as well. So with that, have a great day.